Hi everyone, here we have the Broan PM600SSV, and I'm going to show you where the circuit board and the switch is located inside the unit, just in case you ever have to service. First thing, always make sure you have your safety protective gear on. First thing what you would do is you'd lift up this filter latch on the filter and take the filter off. Next, to get at the switch assembly and the main board, what you have to do is this whole frame comes off. First thing you would do is you can take the electrical box cover off, and that's one screw. You remove it. The parts bag is also located in there. Next, what you would do is you want to unplug this unit, and this is just a quick connect. Just squeeze it and pull, and there would be 4 screws you would remove. There's 2 on the left and 2 on the right, and I'm going to go ahead and get these screws removed. That's 2. 3 and 4. So to take this off, this whole cover basically lifts off of there. You'd have the wiring that would come with it. So make sure the power is disconnected before you do anything. Right here is the main board of the unit. Here's the safety switch. You can get at the light fixtures, and you can get at the switch assembly. Everything's plug and play on the board and on that switch assembly. We have the motor capacitor located here as well. So pretty serviceable. I hope this helps. Thanks.